Is your Sony TV remote not working properly? In this video, I'll show you simple fixes you can try before replacing the remote. Step 1. Check the batteries. First, remove the batteries from the remote and insert them again correctly. Make sure the plus and minus sides match the markings inside the battery area. If the batteries are old or weak, replace both batteries with new ones. Do not mix old and new batteries because that can make the remote work poorly. Step 2. Reset the remote. If the remote still does not work, remove the batteries again. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. Then press each button on the remote 2 times. This can help fix stuck buttons or small remote glitches. After that, put the batteries back in and test the remote again. Step 3. Check for stuck buttons. A stuck button can stop the remote from working properly. Press every button one by one and check if any button feels hard, sticky, or pressed down. If a button is stuck, gently clean around it with a dry cloth. Do not use too much liquid because it can damage the remote. Step 4. Clear the TV sensor. If your Sony remote uses infrared, the remote needs a clear path to the TV sensor. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of the TV, such as a soundbar, decoration, dust, or another device. Point the remote directly at the TV and try using it from a short distance. Step 5. Power reset the TV. Sometimes the problem is not the remote, but the TV itself. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now test the remote again and see if it responds normally. Step 6. Use your phone as a remote. If your remote is still not working, you can use your phone as a temporary remote. Use the Sony Bravia Connect app or the Google TV app if your TV supports it. This can help you control the TV while you check the remote or buy a replacement. Step 7. Replace the remote. If you have tried new batteries, remote reset, TV power reset, and pairing, but the remote still does not work, the remote may be damaged. Before buying a new one, check your Sony TV model number and make sure the replacement remote is compatible with your TV.